Hey guys, my name is Brianna and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from the Mito store on Amazon. It comes in this packaging and it comes with 4 packs of hair, and in each pack is 15 strands. This is their 8-inch 1B curly pre-twisted hair, and these twists are really tight. Do you see that? And the hair is about $20 for 4 packs, but I have 2 packs because I didn't think 4 packs would be enough. And when I say I have 2 packs of hair, I mean that I have 2 orders of the hair for a total of 8 packs. And it also comes with a crochet hook and hair jewelry. And as you can see, I have already braided my hair. I used this shine and jam on my roots while I was braiding, and then on the ends of my braid and throughout my braids I used this argan oil cream of nature.
Perfect.
So I'm about 4 packs in with the hair now, or 1 order, and this is what it's looking like. It also took me about 30 minutes to crochet these 4 packs, and it took me about 2.5 hours to braid my hair. Now I'm just going to show you an example of how I crochet the hair. So right here, I want to crochet the hair here, so I insert my hook where I want the twist, then I hook it onto the twist. It's already pre-looped, and I pull it through. Then I unhook it and I open the loop up with 1 or 2 fingers, and then I put this piece through the loop. But be careful, because if you pull on it too hard or something like that, it may frizz up. So just being careful with it and pulling it and tightening it until it's where I want it to be. So like that. Show you a more up close example of how I do this top right here. So as you can see, I braided an individual braid and then I connected it to another straight back braid, and I did that with just this side part. So I did that so that it would look like I had parts. Can you see that? So on this little piece, I'm going to put 2 twists. I'm going to put the first one at the top. So I'm just gonna go in there. And put this twist on there. And then tighten it like so. And then I'm going to do it again on this spot, in the center of this spot. On the center of this braid, I mean. So I'm putting a crochet hook in the center of that braid and crocheting this twist on there. So now that's what my part looks like. So it looks like I have actual parts for the twist. I think I did a good job crocheting the hair. I just don't think I like the way these twists look that much, and they're kind of short too. So let me show you. These twists are just really tight and short, but they're okay. They're just so tight that they don't look like natural twists. And also, they frizz up pretty easily, so you need to be careful if you want to do this style. Like, look at this end. It's already frizzing up. Now, I used every single twist, so if you wanted to do this style, you would need to get 2 orders, which is 8 packs of hair. You might even need a little bit more, depending on how you do your braids or how big or small your head is. But overall, I think it's alright. And I want to say it took me about 1.5 hours to 2 hours to crochet the twist onto my head. But I really do like how the part came out. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me, including locks, twists, or wigs, or anything else. And thanks for watching. Update: the hair is actually kind of growing on me, and it does look nice and full, and I really like how I did the part. Alright, that's it. See you guys next time.